New Hope Group bases itself in China and aims to be known to the globe, determining to benefit for the whole world. In China, New Hope has been recognized as the #1 brand in the field of agriculture business. Also, it is one of the largest farming and animal husbandry production enterprises. As a national key leading enterprise for China's agricultural industrialization, New Hope Group has developed into the largest industry cluster and is devoted to create a world-class agricultural enterprise. At present, New Hope Group can have annual capacity of that to 20 million tons, which ranks first in China and third in the world, being the organizer of high-quality resources in the animal husbandry value chain. The poultry slaughter capacity of its 3 main industrial chains reaches 1 billion per year, and the milk processing capacity achieves 1 million tons per year. New Hope Group aims to establish a modern agricultural capacity system and commits to create a sustainable, organized, and intensive virtuous circle in the industrial chain. As one of the first enterprises to propose the use of an industrial chain to guarantee food safety, New Hope Group has established a reliable and safe breeding traceability system. During the past 3 years, New Hope has taken charge of and participated in the revision of 5 national standards and 4 industrial standards, and by means of that, to guide the development of industrial technology. New Hope Group actively develops the innovative practical technology in the fields like animal feeds, dairy, meat, chemical industry, animal epidemic prevention, etc. There are 10,000 people who are the most outstanding professional technicians. By ways of stationary point marketing, communication with distributors, assisting them with channel extension and maintenance, and such good service, New Hope has constructed a win-win cooperation pattern with distributors. In order to provide better service to customers, technicians pay visits regularly to acquire detailed information of the breeding situation and provide technical service. New Hope Group, adopting moderate diversification, now has 4 industrial clusters. That is agribusiness and food, chemical industry and resources, finance and investment, real estate and infrastructure. Following the ideals of go with trend, take half-step lead, New Hope Group continuously fastens its pace to open up an industrialization to expand global market. Till now, it has established partnership with the Temasek, international financial company, Mitsui, the Marubeni, Cargill, Citibank, etc. Now, New Hope Group has more than 400 legal entities with almost 80,000 employees and 7 national key leading enterprises of agricultural industrialization, 6 Chinese renowned brands, and 4 Chinese well-known trademarks, of which Shanxihe, Liuhe were Olympic brands of the 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, and Liuhe was a specific brand supplier of the Shanghai World Expo. Today, New Hope Group has achieved nearly $15 billion of annual revenue and AA+ level of credit evaluation. Also, the group has been in the China's top 500 enterprises for 9 years. In 1996, New Hope Group began overseas development. After 10 years, so far it has built 18 subsidiaries in Vietnam, the Philippines, Bengal, Indonesia, Cambodia, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Egypt, etc., including current constructed buildings. The company is mainly engaged in production and selling of livestock poultry products and aquatic feed products. Relying on the strong strength of New Hope Group, government support for overseas investment, and the location advantage of the adjacent Southeast Asia, New Hope Group started its overseas development from Southeast Asia. It has formed a good momentum and achieved significant economic benefits. In the process of overseas development, New Hope Group keeps observing the local laws and regulations and respecting local culture consistently. It applied environmental protection into the daily management system through actively carrying out pollution abatement and energy saving and emission reduction. Meanwhile, New Hope Group takes technology development and innovation as a source of core competence and security for sustainable development. In the next 5 years, New Hope will join and optimize the whole industry chain and act as industrialization organizers to create a green industry chain of poultry, pig, and cow, and provide safe and healthy green food for the whole society. At the same time, New Hope will continue to speed up its overseas development. About 15 to 20 feed factories will be built in Southeast Asia, Africa, Eastern Europe, and other areas as planned. Looking forward, New Hope Group will make consistent efforts to promote the modern agribusiness in China and strive for the goal of being a world-class agriculture and animal husbandry enterprise.
New Hope, New Life.
New Hope, New Life.
New Hope, New Life.
New Hope,
New Life.